Okay, so you have seen the charts as well as I have. Bitcoin, crypto, and XRP are all down. But what's going on and why I am not selling? In fact, I may even look to take some more positions, especially when it comes to XRP. We're going to break down why you definitely should be thinking about buying more and why there is some bullish catalyst to come. All of that in this video. So make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss a beat in this bull market. That being said, let's get into the video. So we'll come back and take a look at the chart in just a minute. On the bottom of this trend, if you watched my video yesterday, you heard me talk specifically about the fact that we could even see this retest, but we will come back and talk about the chart in just a minute. But what is really going on? What's happening? Well, we heard Donald Trump today basically start a trade war between Canada and Mexico. Interestingly enough, though, the both Canadian and Mexican currency have dumped to all-time lows. Well, since 2003, the dollar holding up pretty strong, but we have seen a significant decline in nervousness. We actually see retail investors pulling their money out of the crypto market. Fear is what drives people right now. But when you look at long-term holders, people with big bags, they are stacking. Why? Because they believe we are still set for a big market move, particularly in recent actions. XRP making headlines with recent price action climbing above key resistance levels and consolidating in and around that $3 mark. Obviously, this was prior to today's pushdown. However, analyzing both the resistance and support level, XRP recently broke through previous resistance and surged towards 301. So bear this in mind when we start talking a little bit later on about what is coming and why it's more important. 14-day RSI hovering around 49%, giving us a neutral zone. So XRP, albeit on the back of a 10% decline on today, there is absolutely some more upside movement to come. So not only have we seen this bearish move, resistance solidifying at 275, 251, RSI lingering where it is, and a more negative MACD. All of this would say, well, hey, sell your bags, get out of Ripple. It is absolutely not going to be a place to be. But then you start to think about, okay, why did I invest in the first place? What's Ripple different when it comes to price action? Well, namely, this is one of them. We talked about this yesterday. Japanese banks using Ripple to remittance, they will use XRP. This is official. It was on the SBI holdings for that Japanese institute, which I think is very, very important. This is actually SBI Shinsei Bank and the Remit company. Business partnerships to improve international remittance services. This is obviously a key thing. We know Bank of America, HSBC, and many others are already linked specifically in with XRP. So a very good reason to not sell right now. And then more importantly, you look at what's coming. We got the ATH in January, continuing though to follow the 2017 fractal key pivot date. You start to look at a potential rally. Other charts I've posted point to March, April blow off top for the entire crypto market, but XRP and a few others might be in their own world. In fact, could an $8 price range still come in? Look out for the spring versus the fall. This could be very interesting. Another 7 months for XRP holders who waited 7 years to break out of that long-standing symmetrical triangle. So albeit we have seen a significant sell-off, we've seen Ripple plummet over 10%, in line probably with the broader crypto market. But what have we got on the chart? Well, let's take a look at the price action right now. So yes, we have come down perfectly to retest this lower ascending wedge. This ascending wedge pattern that we talked about yesterday, this could play out very, very interestingly. We have almost this pattern creating. We want to see this bounce now to the upside. This is going to give us that very interesting breakout and then up to the retest up here. This could actually send us even higher, depending on what happens with Trump and his tariffs. Obviously, we know Canada and Mexico are retaliating, if you will. We don't know then what happens tomorrow. Open up of trade. What does the NASDAQ, the stock market do? But actually, Ripple playing out exactly as I expected it to. This, for me, is a retail selling. We know that longer-term holders, longer-term positions are still in. You can see the fact just with this real volatility coming in. You look on smaller time frames in the 4-hour chart here, once again, perfectly retesting this lower range that we have done. And yes, we've wicked through before bouncing back up. This pattern playing out very, very similar. And like I said, we're battling right now to hold this support line that we do need to keep, which I think would be important. But an 11% dip, if you bought in at XRP at a slightly higher range, look, this is giving you a great opportunity. We all know what's coming on the backdrop. We all know the longer term solution when it comes to XRP and what they're all about. This is why I think people are absolutely getting ready to stack their bags. You only have to take a look at what the global landscape looks like to understand how big this market truly could be. And I think it's important just to reference how this kind of plays out. Owning some XRP puts you in a cutting edge of financial revolution. This isn't long left to position yourself in generational wealth. The numbers on the mouth watering. This is ultimately, though, what banking institutions as well as finance directions are absolutely aligned, and the value in which they attach. So you understand this is kind of where XRP is trying to get into. This is the market that it wants to be on. And that's why I personally haven't sold a single XRP, and we'll wait and see what this market rides out. Don't forget, I've got some content coming out specifically about these tariffs and why it's important to understand them and how it can affect your crypto portfolio. But until then, check out the links in the description. As always, if you enjoy this type of content, smash up that like button and subscribe to the channel. We're so close to 33,000 subscribers because of you guys. You're absolutely the best. We'll see you in the next one. Take care for now. Bye-bye.